now and talk about another tragedy. Now, as far as the Delhi High Court is concerned, while taking up the plea in the Delhi coaching center deaths case of the students, lashed out at the Delhi police and also the state government and the civic authorities, which is the MCD. The Delhi High Court, meanwhile, has transferred the probe to the deaths of the 3 UPSC students at the drowning of the basement of the coaching center in Old Rajendra Nagar to the CBI, which is the Central Bureau of Investigation. But the court has said that it is transferring the case to the CBI so that the public does not doubt the probe. It even highlighted the gravity of the incidents and the potential involvement of corruption amongst public officials as the key for the reasons for this directive. Now, during the proceedings, the court has rebuked the Delhi police for handling of their investigation. The court slammed the police officials present and said that mercifully they have not challaned the rainwater or the water that entered that basement. The statement that was pointed to be a critique of the police's approach following their arrest of an individual, the driver of the SUV, was alleged to have contributed to the flooding that broke the gate of the said building. Now, the High Court has slammed the state government for not holding a cabinet meeting and MCD also for not having a standing committee for more than a year. Meanwhile, there has been another incident of rains that have happened, and on the same road, waterlogging again was reported. Meanwhile, there is still no end to the politics over the issue, with the government and the opposition passing the buck on the ongoing blame game that has been taking place over this tragedy.
मैं स्वागत करता हूं हाई कोर्ट के निर्णय का, और हम पहले दिन से कह रहे थे कि जो विभाग, जो मंत्री थे संतरी इस पूरे हादसे के जिम्मेदार हैं, उनके खिलाफ सीबीआई की जांच हो, उन सबको सूली पे लटका देना चाहिए। चाहे वो सौरभ भारद्वाज या आतिशी मार लेना, उनके विधायक हैं, कोई अफसर है, जो भी इसमें शामिल है, जो उनसे भी, चाहे जल बोर्ड है, नगर निगम है, इन सब अधिकारियों के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। उन मासूम बच्चों के ये हत्यारे हैं, उनकी लापरवाही के कारण, नालों की सफाई ना होने के कारण ये हादसा हुआ है।
मैं एमसीडी और यहाँ के दिल्ली जो सरकार है, इनको मैं जिम्मेवार खड़ा करती हूँ, क्योंकि इनके जो स्थानीय लोग भी शिकायत करने के बावजूद भी वहाँ पे कोई एक्शन, कोई ऑफिसर, कोई बिजली का डिपार्टमेंट या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का डिपार्टमेंट, कोई एमसीडी का डिपार्टमेंट, कोई भी उनके साथ नहीं दिए हैं।
Illegal construction going on, encroachment going on, and not only Delhi government but central government is also responsible, because DDA, police, MCD, all are under central government, and part of administration is with Delhi government. So what happened that both blaming each other?
Well, Akansha, you were tracking as far as the developments from the High Court is concerned, and it pulled up literally everyone when it comes to the government, the MCD, and also the case in which it was being handled by the Delhi police.
Well, absolutely, and this is a huge embarrassment for the Delhi police as well as the MCD. Clearly, Delhi High Court was not happy with the probe that was done by the Delhi police, and that is why now the probe has been transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation. The court has said that the case has been transferred because this involves negligence on the part of the government officials itself. The court has also directed that this probe will be supervised by a senior official that will be nominated by the Central Vigilance Commission, and keeping seriousness of the incident in mind. Since it involves senior government officials, the court has now transferred the probe to the Central Bureau of Investigation. But definitely, we took you through what happened in the proceedings in the Delhi High Court yesterday. MCD was pulled up, Delhi police was pulled up, and state government was pulled up. As far as Delhi police is concerned, questions were asked as to why. Till now, they have not questioned the MCD officers. As far as MCD is concerned, the court pulled them up, saying that they've just suspended the engineers. No tough action has been taken. No drain has been desilted. All of this was said during the hearing yesterday. And also, as far as the cabinet meeting is concerned, the court said that no cabinet meeting has held in the past few months, and this shows a clear lack of governance, and citizens are only suffering. So now the case has been transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation. We spoke to a lot of students who are in fact protesting at Rajendra Nagar, and they told us that they are happy with this court's decision of transferring the case to the CBI.
Well, whether be it harsh sunlight, whether be it rains, we are looking at the students there ever since last week. This horrifying incident was reported. They have been continuously out on the streets, and they have been protesting against the said authorities. Akansha, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.